Joint Lunar Polar Exploration Mission, that is JAXA. Now this is important news for your prelims. Why? Because recently details of Joint Lunar Polar Exploration Mission were released by Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency. Now what are those details? We'll see those details from prelims point of view. Now first is, it was conceptualized as joint mission between JAXA and ISRO in 2017. Remember 2017, which aims to put a lander and a rover on the moon's surface. Now as per the details shared by JAXA, it will be launched after 2023. So it is a joint mission between JAXA and ISRO for moon, which will be launched in 2023. Now the mission would last for about 6 months and will target a constantly sunlit region near the moon's south pole. So this is the main objective of this mission. Now JAXA would be building the overall landing module and rover, whereas ISRO would develop the lander system. So this will be the contribution. Now rover will conduct an observation of an areas where water may be presently distributed. If it detects hydrogen, the rover will then mine the surface to collect samples. So water and hydrogen, these two. Now NASA's Stratospheric Observatory for Infrared Astronomy, known as SOFIA, indicates that water may be distributed across the lunar surface and not limited to cold shadowed places. Now what is SOFIA? SOFIA, an airborne observatory, is a joint project of NASA and German Aerospace Center. Now SOFIA has detected water molecules, that is H2O, in Cabeus crater located in the moon's southern hemisphere. Now, what is the objective of lunar polar exploration, which is between JAXA and ISRO? First is to obtain actual data regarding the quantity of water of areas where water is anticipated to exist. So first is, that is quantity of water. This is what you have to remember. Second, understand distribution, condition, form and other parameters of lunar water resources at the moon's south pole. Next is improve technology needed to explore surface of low gravity celestial body in order to support future lunar activities. So it is technology. Next is determine feasibility of utilizing such resources for sustainable space exploration activities in future. So it is about, that is, utilization of resources. So these are the 4 objectives. Now why we select moon's south pole, or why south pole is special? First is, we'll understand the importance of south pole of moon. First, its craters have been untouched by sunlight for billions of years. So it offers an undistributed record of the solar system's origin. So origin of the solar system. Second, its permanently shadowed craters are estimated to hold nearly 100 million tons of water. So it is estimated a huge quantity of water. Next, its elemental and positional advantages make it suitable pit stop for future space exploration. So demonstration of technology. Next, it has traces of hydrogen, ammonia, methane, sodium, mercury, silver. So making it an untapped source of essential resources. So that is why it is, again, that is why South Pole is important.